Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video from Horizon. So today I'm in the city of Orange and I'm going to show you guys a little bit around and see that is very tranquil, quiet, clean, pride of ownership neighborhood. And right now I'm going to show you guys a house on Chipwood Street in the city of Orange. And there's a lot of pride of ownership around here. It's a cul-de-sac. So what does that mean? Value, clean, low traffic. So I'm gonna take you guys into the house now and show you guys what we have done to it. The project is complete. Excuse the mess, but we're still cleaning up. So I'm gonna make my way inside the house and show you guys the interior work that Horizon has done. Starting with the floor, it used to be carpet. This house was built in 1963, so obviously the homeowner chose to update it. As you can see, it's visually appealing. And they opened up the floor plan. So when you walk in, it's nice and spacious and extremely inviting. You can entertain guests here. So the flooring was upgraded, the paint, parts of the chimney, definitely the kitchen area. It's very beautiful now. And the countertop right here, it's got real wood. The backsplash has been changed, all the drawers, they're soft closed now. Let me show you guys. Boom. No more slamming drawers, guys. It's soft closing. And as you can see, the countertop here is flat black, not marble. There's no stains. It's just pure black, which is a very unique choice and hard to find. It's a rare find. New appliances. Okay, so this house was originally built in 1963. So the homeowners did a good thing. They upgraded it, so it brought up value to the house. Last sold in 1999 for $275,000. Now, just like everything in California, is going up and up and up in value. So, like I said, originally built in 1963, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. And here's one of the bathrooms. Also upgraded the tub. It used to be shallow, now it's deeper. So you can actually take a bath in it. Okay, so let's work our way into the other room. Here's one bedroom. The homeowner chose to keep the cranking windows to give it character, which I like. And look at the light. And here's the closet. So let's move to the next room. There you go. So this house used to have carpet throughout, and the homeowners chose to go with real wood. And as you can see, there's no creaking when I walk on it. So that's good quality. Very good job on Horizon's part. Ceiling fan and light, lots of character. And then here's the master bedroom, guys, with a walk-in bathroom. His and hers closet. Single family home, guys, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's on an 8,500 square foot lot. And they chose to change this door into a barn door. Very unique. It slides left and right. Good choice of colors here too. His and her sink. Frameless shower door. So every room has different lights and fans. Very unique. Attention to details. All right, guys, there you have it. So I'm gonna show you guys the back of the house. I'm gonna open the patio doors and show you the rest of the property. It's an 8,500 square foot lot, and the house itself is about 1,560 square feet. So I'm gonna make my way to the back here and show you guys the back of the house. No swimming pool, but it's a spacious lot. Single-story home. Attached garage. Chimney, little fire pit. Very quiet here, guys. You come home to low volume traffic and low noise. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick sweep of the backyard. And there you have it, a lot of character. And it's got the chimney on the left, and then the sky dome on the middle of the house right there. Boom, which creates natural light. And there you guys have it. Okay, so what we did today was the interior, no exterior work, but looking beautiful. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video.